Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the delicious world of flaky folded pancakes with flavorful sauce. Let's jump right in. To begin, combine hot water with flour, stir thoroughly, then add cold water and continue mixing until smooth. Knead the dough by hand, cover it with plastic wrap, and allow it to rest for about half an hour. While the dough rests, finely chop onions, garlic, and scallions. Combine them in a bowl, add ginger powder, and mix well. In a separate bowl, combine soybean paste, chili bean sauce, ketchup, oyster sauce, sugar, Chinese 5-spice powder, and chili powder. Add slightly less than half a bowl of water and gently stir until the sauce is well blended. Now, heat oil in a pan and saute the chopped onions, garlic, and scallions until they become aromatic. Pour in the prepared sauce, simmer on low heat for a few minutes, and sprinkle with white sesame seeds just before serving. Next, heat cooking oil in a pan and mix it with flour until it thickens. Roll out the dough into thin sheets, brush them with the oil paste, make several cuts without going all the way through, fold each piece towards the center, wrap them up, and then roll out into thin sheets once again. In another pan, fry the pancakes over low heat until they turn golden brown on both sides. Once done, brush them with the flavorful sauce, sprinkle with sesame seeds and chopped scallions, and then cut them into bite-sized pieces. These crispy, flaky layers are a true delight. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out for you. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.